So we got this car ready. This is the car that we're going to try to take to Pennsylvania. There's still more stuff I want to do before we take it to Pennsylvania, but I'm just going to do a test run. It hasn't been really ran in a year and a half. So we're going to take it to Bolton. I don't know if it's going to be allowed off the trailer. I've been asked not to bring it, but I'm just going to bring it. If I can't run it, I'm not going to be upset. I'm just going to get my free entry into the fairgrounds, and I'm going to enjoy the Bolton Derby, and I'll film it for you guys to enjoy. But as it sits now, I got all the plate needed on it for PA. I got the threaded rod. I got the Lumina rad support. I have to put water in it still. Have to tie down the gas tank a little bit better. I'm going to check the oil, transmission fluid. I need to tie down the battery, make sure this is a good battery. And I want to clean out all the leaves inside of here, guys. Just probably going to use an air compressor outside. Got the threaded rod tightened down in the back. I'm not going to replace this tire for Bolton. If I'm allowed to run, I'm allowed to run. If I'm not allowed to run, guys, it'll just stay on the trailer. I'm not going to be upset. You know, you gotta know what you're allowed to do sometimes, and this car is getting terrifying. So, for a lot of the stock shows here in Ontario, it is a little bit overbuilt. But we got the Buick Century rims on it. We got pretty much everything welded back together that we had to cut in previous years, and it's pretty much ready to go again. I'm really excited for this Derby. And so we got this one for Saturday night in Bolton, and then let me go show you the car for Sunday. We got it all fixed up one of our previous videos. I think I made a video of it, and yeah, I'm just trying to clean up some of the junk I got around sitting this year just to get some more time in the ring, because I want to smash some shit, guys. And this one right here is the car for Sunday. Now, I don't even know if they're going to let this thing pass at Collingwood, and the reason for that is the back end. It is completely buggered right up. So we'll have to see. So this one here is hopefully going to be Collingwood on the Sunday. Now Collingwood does have a weird rule, and they say they're not going to do their rule this year, but I'm not 100% sure. They said that in the past, and then when I get there, they did it. Their weird rule in Collingwood is if you win, they keep your car. Is that not a crazy rule, guys? I don't want to give away my cars. I think top place is like $400 or $500 for Collingwood, and pretty much this car is like $400 in scrap. So in the past when I've went there, I've purposely taken second just so I can keep my car and get the $200 for second place. But who knows, guys? We will be having a great weekend. We're going to try to enjoy ourselves. We're going to try to clean up some of the rest of these cars in our yard and get them into the Derby, because it ain't doing us no good scrapping cars that still run and drive. This one here is kind of having some issues. I'm not really sure when we take this thing out this winter, this motor, I'm going to have to go through it, do a compression test, check everything out, make sure it's okay to keep running, because it's not running right. And Beaton, it actually did shoot flames when Mackenzie was driving it. We did change out the fuel system to see if that would change anything, but I don't think it's going to. I think there's something wrong with the engine or something wrong with something on this car. But this is a little bit of a short video, just doing a little recap before the weekend. So thanks for coming and watching, guys. Maybe I'll throw this up on Sunday or before another video. That way you guys can watch 2 videos today. So thanks for watching, guys.